There you go, ridgeline stuff, guys. There you go. 18 sheets of sheetrock. Dropped a couple inches. Doing some handyman work. Putting in some sheetrock. Yeah, look at that. This is easy. It's making my life easier right now. You can go all the way to the ceiling. Just like that. Look at that. That's pro. That's about it. We are on day 2 of mudding. We just did the second coat. This is what it looks like. Guys, here is a big summer project that my wife and I and stepson did. He had a garage here and it needed a lot of work. We did the outside siding. Inside here, we put in sheetrock in the ceiling, and we used a Harbor Freight sheetrock holder. And honestly, that was a blessing, man. That was awesome. It worked out really well. I'll put some other pictures here of kind of some of the work that we did, but this is the finished project. Again, we still got to do the floors, but we'll epoxy those, get a grinder, floor grinder, scrape everything off and all that fun stuff. But yeah, it's turning out really good. So once we put the sheetrock up, we even did the texture. You can see the texture there. And one thing I would have done better, I'll put the texture tool that I bought in the description, but I probably would have gone a little bit thicker. I mean, it's not bad, it's pretty good, but I probably would have gone one more pass on the texture. The ceiling over there is new sheetrock as well. And let me see if you can see the texture. You can see the texture there in the ceiling as well. Again, I probably would have gone a little thicker on it, but otherwise, I like it. The walls were already up, but we had to tape it, mud it, and fill in a ton of holes. So that's how it turned out. We used a paint sprayer, but then we also ended up rolling it because found out that the rolling thing actually works better than the paint sprayer. So that's something to learn from as well. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. That's what it looks like. That's the garage door. And this has been a huge project.